How to open My Eyes Only on a Snapchat without passcode or losing snaps. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on flashcard icon at bottom left. And at the top you will see variety of options. Simply select My Eyes Only. And here you'll be required to enter your My Eyes Only password. In case if you have forgotten and you want to open My Eyes Only without passcode or losing a snap, simply when you tap options at bottom right and change the passcode, then this will lose all your snaps and data. So let's go forward to open our profile. Tap Bitmoji icon at top left. Now tap gear icon at top right. Scroll to the bottom, choose Help Center. Once it opens, scroll down. Now choose Contact Us button and choose I need help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll down. Choose Memories and scroll down and tap on Yes button and choose Using My Eyes Only. Now you have to enter your username, email and the description of your issue. Once you describe your issue and after that tap on Submit button, you will receive a confirmation email or a follow-up request for more information. So you need to know that we appreciate box reports and suggestions but are not always able to reply to general feedback. So you simply need to wait up to 24 hours or 48 hours for the feedback and you'll be able to solve your issue. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.